Here we have an update on the 66 F100. The Raptor swapped, Raptor crate engine swapped truck. It's up and going. Everything's working. Here we can see that just local driving, I'm getting 23.7 miles to a gallon. The stock radio has Bluetooth. I've added air conditioning. The air conditioning is blowing 30 degrees, 29 to 30 degrees. Ice cold, works great. It's a little shot of the inside. All in trim and moldings are all, of course, hand done here. Seats still need to get a cover over the gas tank. Here you can see I have the tire pressure monitoring system working. I also have the PATs working. Up next, I'll have all of the trailer tow stuff working. Have the detail, the covers there I need to paint and put on yet, but we're getting really close. I kind of like it that I can hide my cruise control here so you can't really see any of that stuff when it's working. A little bit of wire cleanup to do. Here we are. Here sitting there idling now, it's just very quiet. It's got a bit of a rumble at an idle. Truck has always been Arizona since new. I grew up in Upper Peninsula, Michigan, so I have a refinished the plate 66 Michigan to match the rear. Here, just unbelievably quiet. Nice little rumble in the back. It surely doesn't sound like the typical EcoBoost. The 10-speed and 350 gear with these tires is just absolutely phenomenal to drive. Working under the hood using the F150 AC compressor. I can say it blows 30 degrees. Everything here is all Raptor radiator condenser. I added a power steering pump to it that works just fabulous. It's kind of an overall look of the nearly finished truck. Just need to put the antenna on and little things, and then it's really never been sanded and buffed. It looks nice, but I have to do the final sand and buff now that it's all together. inside the box. It looks decent, kind of as sprayed. It needs to be sanded and buffed, but it looks pretty nice for a daily driver. I've gotten almost 1,100 miles on it right now, and just been wonderful. See the end gauge here. It's 93 degrees outside, and intake air temp is 93.2. Coolant at 165 degrees. It just, like I say, it's been real hoot.